Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks Tap to Pay. First, understand that this feature transforms your compatible iPhone into a secure payment terminal. It allows you to accept contactless payments directly from customers' credit cards or digital wallets like Apple Pay. This means you can process transactions quickly and efficiently without needing any additional card readers or hardware. It's designed for convenience and mobility. To get started, you'll need a compatible iPhone, specifically an iPhone XS or a newer model. Make sure your QuickBooks iOS app is fully updated to access the latest features. Within the app, go to your settings or payment options, and you'll find the toggle to enable Tap to Pay. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, which usually takes just a few moments. When you're ready to take a payment, simply open the QuickBooks app and enter the amount due. Select the Tap to Pay option. Then, present the top of your iPhone to your customer. They will tap their contactless credit card, debit card, or digital wallet-enabled device, like an Apple Watch, near the top of your phone. The app will confirm the successful transaction instantly. Using Tap to Pay offers several benefits, including faster checkout times and a more modern experience for your customers. All transactions are securely encrypted, protecting both you and your customers' data. For best results, always ensure your iPhone has sufficient battery life and a stable internet connection. This ensures smooth, reliable payment processing every time you use it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.